My name's Abby Tobin. I am the White Nose Syndrome Coordinator with Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife. And tonight we are at Woodard Bay trying to capture bats from the colony from under this train trestle here. And we are looking for signs of a disease called White Nose Syndrome. And this disease affects bats while they're hibernating, but it doesn't affect humans or any other wildlife. But we're here tonight trying to capture them and look for signs of the disease. And we can do that by looking at their wings, looking at the condition of the wings, looking at their body condition, whether they're really skinny, and other tearing or holes that they might have in their wings. And then we're going to be collecting swabs. So we'll be rolling a swab, it looks like a Q-tip, along the wings and the nose. And then we will send that into a diagnostic lab to test for the fungus that causes the disease White Nose Syndrome. Bats are a really important part of our ecosystem. They have a crucial role. They are pest control. Particularly here in Washington, they feed on insects that can damage crops, so they're really important in agriculture and providing that free pest control. They also can eat insects that can carry diseases like mosquitoes. And then other parts of North America, bats are really important pollinators, such as the agave cactus. Bats are one of the main pollinators for that. So if you like tequila, you should think of bat. And they also can help with dispersing seeds, and so they're really important in reforestation in other parts of the world. We have so many partners that work with us in bat conservation and management in Washington and across the Pacific Northwest. Just to name a few, right now we're working with the Department of Natural Resources. We're working at a colony on their lands, but we also work with the U.S. Forest Service, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, the Bureau of Land Management, the National Park Service, Washington State Parks, tribes. There's also nonprofits such as Bats Northwest. So there's so many organizations that we work with that really make this effort successful and help with bat conservation. This disease is decimating bat populations across North America, and it has arrived here in Washington just a few years ago, back in 2016. So we're trying to understand how it's going to affect the bat populations here in Washington.